Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best corded miter saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Generic corded miter saw. Generic is the corded miter saw you want in your garage thanks to its 10-inch cutting capacity. Its 15-amp motor will help you cut all kinds of wooden materials with ease, while the parallelogram and riving knife ensure precision. Great for those hard-to-reach cuts, the professional-grade miter saw has a no-mar aluminum base with an integrated rafter hook for added convenience. This tool requires a 110-volt outlet. Its innovative design provides maximum cutting capacity and the ability to trim larger pieces of wood. This corded miter saw has a number of features that are key to its effectiveness. It includes a magnetic guide system and a tape measure, allowing you to make precise cuts. A quick-release lever and a detachable laser that is accurate to within 0.1 inch make the 10-corded miter saw from GTI a versatile and effective tool. Its compact size ensures that it can fit into any tight space. Its ergonomic, overmolded grip keeps you comfortable and in control at all times, even when cutting at awkward angles. Number 4. Performax corded miter saw. The Performax 10-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw is a powerful tool for your next miter saw project. The Performax 15-amp corded 10 single bevel sliding compound miter saw features a laser guide for accurate and precise cutting. The preset miter stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6 and 45 degrees provide the user with a wide array of miter cutting options. The Performax 10-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw has a durable solid steel base and a sliding plate made of high-quality aluminum. It features a 405mm blade and a 15-amp motor for precise, fast and smooth cutting. It also has a riving knife for safer cuts and less kickback during miter cuts. It's a great choice for your next miter saw project. The SawsTop Performax miter saw is a testament to that fact, as it provides the highest level of performance and durability for professionals in the fastest time possible. This high-quality tool features an incredibly powerful 15-amp motor with a 5,000 RPM no-load speed and 0 to 50 inch per second cross-cut speed. This 6-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw is made from industrial-grade materials like cast iron rollers and aluminum base to be incredibly durable, reliable and long-lasting. Plus, the exclusive SawsTop safety circuitry helps prevent accidental contact with the blade. Number 3. Ridgid corded miter saw. The Ridgid R4210 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw produces professional quality cuts with a maximum of accuracy and ease. It features a powerful 15-amp single-phase induction motor that produces up to 4,000 RPM and 10,000 FPM, which delivers greater cutting power, smooth operation and improved accuracy. The Ridgid R4210 has better dust collection which helps maintain a cleaner work environment. Its bevel capacity ranges from 0 to 51 degrees. The sliding mechanism has a maximum capacity of 48 1/8 inch, allowing you to make cuts up to 3 3/8 inch wide on crown molding, baseboard or other large pieces of lumber. This miter saw has a soft start feature that gradually increases the speed to reduce vibration and kickback. It includes a cast aluminum base, a 2-piece telescopic fence, a miter detoned override and a built-in laser guide. This miter saw has a powerful 15-amp motor, has 0 to 50 degrees left miter capacity, and has 0 to 50 degrees right miter capacity. Number 2. Bosch corded miter saw. The Bosch CM10GD is a compact and powerful corded miter saw with a dual slide mechanism that delivers extremely accurate cuts. The dual slide system features continuous feed technology for smooth and quiet cutting. The 15-amp motor provides fast cutting speeds up to 3,000 RPM, and the 60-tooth carbide blade provides fast cutting and no splintering. The sighting system ensures that you can accurately mark your cuts, and the integrated rafter hook helps you quickly move the saw from one job to the next. Plus, the CM10GD has a unique handle that protects your knuckles while cutting. The CM10GD is engineered to deliver even more precision, power and cutting efficiency, along with an attractive design that is perfect for any home or professional workshop. The sliding miter saw has a bevel capacity of 47 degrees to the left and 50 degrees to the right, and the adjustable miter detent plate helps to make precise miter cuts. Additionally, the miter detent override prevents the detent plate from being blocked during certain cuts, and the miter saw has a quick release lever that provides easy miter detent override. Number 1. Metabo HPT Corded Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT Corded Miter Saw is a single bevel compound miter saw with a 15 amp motor, 10 blade. It comes equipped with a standard miter detent override and an aluminum base with a 3-position side table. The saw achieves a max bevel angle of 50 degrees left and 50 degrees right. The saw has an adjustable miter angle range of 0 to 50 degrees left-right. The saw also has an adjustable bevel angle range of 0 to 50 degrees left-right. The HPT miter saw is durable and long-lasting. Its arm is made of high-strength steel, and the base is constructed with a high-grade cast iron. This miter saw weighs in at a hefty 26 pounds, which is testament to its quality. Every job requires certain tools. If you need a corded miter saw for your next job, get the Metabo HPT miter saw, and you'll always get a job well done. This corded miter saw is the professional's choice for clean, accurate cuts for crown molding, baseboards, door jambs and more. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.